Hi, this is Danik Hawass from New Delhi. I just wanted to inform friends and family in Manipur, especially in the town of Ukhrul and around, to join us on the 14th of October, the 14th evening of October at the town hall for an evening of gospel music, of worship, of fun and fellowship. There's a wonderful team coming from New Delhi, talented artists from across different parts of India who will be joining me. And we just want to declare something. We just want to share with you a message that we carry with us, and that is from First Chronicles chapter 16, verse 24. And it says, "Declare his glory among the nations, his marvelous deeds among all peoples." And that's what we are carrying with us, and we want to share the joy of Christ with you in worship, in music, in singing, and celebrating the goodness of God. Looking forward to seeing you all. Please join us. Please sign up and be there at the town hall on the 14th evening at Ukhrul in Manipur. God bless you.